magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard,
It's a
so
constant
funny,
drizzle,
you need to cry.
and I'm all soaking wet. But so far I have done 6.5 miles today of the 10. So I only have like 4 to go. So this is what it's like uphill. Luckily this time we're going downhill. But then it goes up again. My shoulders are killing me and the backpack strap broke. So I might have to get another one. But I'm having a good time and I'm enjoying it. This looks like an interesting downhill here. Okay, you gotta concentrate. This is wet and slippery.